on his phone. Okay, okay. My brother's phone. Oh, it's pretty clean, I think, right? Maybe. Yeah. We'll go with a little calm 50-50, maybe. Nice. Rock the baby a little bit. Oh my gosh, that was weird. Every time I try to back two on this, I fall in. Let's chill. Alright, we got it, kinda. That wasn't too bad. This rail is weird, I could like barely hit it. Oh my gosh. That was not fun. Way though.
2 out, so is that like 180 or something?
I don't know, you'll see.
Right.
I don't know which way to go. I'm gonna just decide while I'm on the rail. I don't think I can hit it again, so. Whew, I got that. What the hell? I don't know, back to maybe not. Try front floor, maybe.